Are they here yet? 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 One eternity later. And this happened while I'm on the road. Glad that I pull over so I can witness my speakers being delivered one by DHL guy. So I got home to this. Let me twist it just to make it easier to watch or to read. So yeah, they're finally here. See the 4 speakers or the S150 with the subwoofer, and of course the other S150 that I'm gonna take into the car. And I'm gonna grab one of them to be brought to my cousin's place to build the stand for it. Okay, it's in. Time to go to build the speaker stand. Damn, this thing's heavy. Let's open it up. I haven't even got the chance to open it up in the house, so yeah, there. Okay, let's unpack this, see what's inside. A folder of congratulating me for having this. Ooh, white gloves. Nubbins for the bottom of the speakers. Oh, come here. We got screws. I don't know what these screws are for, but look at this. Ooh, looks like a ponytail of my hair. Oh, nice. Okay, this is heavy. No. The reveal. Oh, it's heavy. Go Miller and Kreisel. See what's inside here. Just look at that. So drool inducing. Yeah, and have a look at the back. Oh. Nice hefty banana plug, and yep, THX certified. Yes, beautiful. I don't know why, but I always find this industrial design to be very wow inducing for me. It's simple, it's functional, that's all I care about. Through the magic of Time Machine, here's the speaker stand. So next, I'm gonna open the subwoofer. Let me get rid of these. Sound V12 Plus subwoofer. Supposedly, this is the very first V12 Plus subwoofer available in Canada. Let's open it up. Miller and Kreisel. Another one of those congratulations paper. Owner's manual. Speaker grill. Even the speaker grill itself is heavy. Accessories box. Comes with white gloves. Yay. Removable feet. Well, it's already removed. Power cable. And now the subwoofer itself. So it's not a square subwoofer. It's a little bit trapezoidal. How should I take this thing out? This thing is heavy. Oh. That's insanely heavy. Let's open the plastic. Hi, Happy. It looks tiny, but it's extremely heavy. This is the bottom. It's matte finish. Let's tilt it back the way it's supposed to be. Really nice. And let's look at the back. You got input, you got output to go to a secondary subwoofer if you need to, volume control, USB, I don't know what this thing's for, but most importantly, here, THX logo. Yep, so that's it for the unboxing. I'll continue to have a secondary video and tertiary video talking about the subwoofer, talking about the S150, and also get ready for my home theater walkthrough video. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.